Hi, welcome to Crochet Jewel channel. I'm going to share with you how to make this cute crochet snowman. I used an F hook and medium worsted yarn. The pattern is down below. If this is too fast, you can place it in slow motion. And also there's a beginner stitches playlist down below in the description. Okay, and if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. Let's get started. Okay, to get started, you're going to do the magic ring. If this is your first time, just wrap it around your fingers. And you're going to insert your hook, grab the yarn, and then you're going to chain one and then chain two more. If this is your first time, there's a link on how to do this below for the magic ring. Then you're going to work 11 more double crochet in the ring. That chain 3 counts as a double crochet, so yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Repeat that until you have 10 more. Okay, and now you're going to pull it closed. Now you're going to slip stitch into the chain 3. And then you're going to work a chain 3. Then work a double crochet in that same stitch. Then work 2 double crochet in each stitch around. So work 2 double crochet in each stitch around until you get back to the beginning for a total of 24. Now you're going to slip stitch into the chain 3. And this stitch here you're going to skip, and then in the next stitch you're going to work a treble crochet, so yarn over twice. And then insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Then yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops again. Work that until you have 6 more for a total of 7 treble crochet. Skip and then go to the next stitch. And then yarn over and pull through. And then you take your yarn needle, and then in the back you're going to weave in your ends 3 times or so to secure them and hide them. Now we're going to make the hat, so you're going to slip knot onto your hook. This will be done in rows, so you're going to yarn over and pull through and do a chain of 2, and then you're going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook twice, then chain 1 and turn, and then in the first stitch you're going to work 2 single crochet And then in the next stitch, work 2 single crochet. It's going to look like this. Then you're going to chain 1, work a single crochet, and then work 2 single crochet. Then work 2 single crochet again, and then work a single crochet. Then chain 1, turn, then work a single crochet in each stitch across. And then chain 1 and pull through. Okay, you're going to slip stitch on the first chain here. You're going to chain 2. You're going to do 2 half double crochet together, so yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, then yarn over, insert your hook, and then grab the yarn, then yarn over and pull through, and then chain 2 and slip stitch. And then you can yarn over and pull through and make sure you weave in all of your ends. So just take your yarn needle and weave all of those ends in the back. To do the scarf, I'm going to slip knot onto my hook and do a chain 10. And then in the second chain from the hook, I'm going to work a single crochet, then work a single crochet in each stitch across until you get to the end. Finish that until you get to the end here. You're going to chain 2, slip stitch into the stitch here, grab your yarn, pull through, and then in the next stitch you're going to work 2 single crochet, chain 2 and turn, and then you're going to work a single crochet and then another single crochet. Then you're going to chain 2 and turn, then work a single crochet and a single crochet, then chain 2 and turn, and then work your single crochet and your single crochet, and then you're going to yarn over and pull through, and then you can attach it to the snowman. Okay, to create the eyes, just take your yarn and your yarn needle and go on both sides and run your yarn through. You can twist it a little bit to create a little knot and bring it through. You can do that a few times, and then when you're done, just go on the back side and you're going to tie it a few times and cut your ends. And then once you have the other eye, go through, bring your yarn through, twist your needle a little bit and bring it back through, bring it through, and then you can just go to the back side. You can do that a few times and then just tie it and secure your ends. And to do a little carrot nose, go towards the center and then go to the top center. And you can do this a few times to get a really cute nose in here. And then when you're done, go ahead and just tie it in the back. Now you're going to take your scarf and just sew it on by weaving in and out with your yarn needle. And secure it the best you can, going around, and then you can sew it going down. And then once you have that, you're going to sew it here and then sew it going all the way down. Now for the hat, all you need to do is just take your yarn needle and just attach it to the white part the best you can. You can do it centered or you can do it off-centered, however you like, and just keep sewing it in and out to attach the hat across, and then it will be complete. I really hope you enjoyed this crochet snowman tutorial. The pattern is down below. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.